from top of pump, and the pressure sensors is moved to MCV.
One of main different point is angle sensor. These two angle sensors are monitoring discharging flow real-time base while machine operation. EPOS receives main pump flow rate via these angle sensors, and also receives converted joystick and pedal pilot signal via pressure sensor.
And then EPOS performs electrical value calculations as outputs to the each EPPR valves on regulator. Finally, EPOS can control pressure and flow of pump by using these two EPPR valves.
Let's check regulator more detail. Main different point from Negacon system is regulator. Instead of Negacon line,
as we already explained, it is connected electric line between EPOS and two regulator EPPR valves. Each regulators have one EPPR valve
and control spool to adjust pump flow. Actually, final control signal to control this spool is very important.
We can call EPPR second pressure. We recommend to remember these points of each regulator to check EPPR valve problem or regulator damaged.
The next is battery box. After opening battery box cover, we can see two circuit breakers. Comparing with old version, fusible link is deleted and add one more circuit breaker. Battery switch position is changed. It moved to more upper side to prevent water contamination from bottom side. And also battery switch electric position is moved from ground position. It affects to improve starting engine system more easily even difficult condition. Let's go up fuel tank. After disassembling fuel tank cover, on new model, you can see new type of fuel level sensor. We call fuel sender. It is very precise fuel level sensor, so we can calculate fuel consumption rate, even it is mechanical engine. You can figure out result of fuel consumption on Doosan Connect web or mobile. The next is main control valve.
The model is same as last DX225LCA since 2019.
The mainly different point is center bypass cut valve. Instead of foot relief valve from Negacon system, it has center bypass cut valve. To minimize unnecessary flow,
EPOS cut center bypass flow line by using EPPR valve. Finally, we can get increased fuel efficiency by reducing unnecessary flow on VBO system. The main pump pressure sensors are moved to MCV.
At first time, you maybe cannot find exact location of pressure sensors. So we recommend to check location when you meet new machine. The swing priority valve is added on boom to spool position. It can control more optimized swing speed, comparing with old model. And it is boom priority valve. It make more oil to go into boom and bucket by reducing arm flow. So while operator work combined operation, boom and bucket speed is more faster when loading operation. The main relief valve setting also increased for better performance. After verifying hydraulic system, the basic setting of relief pressure is 353 bar, and then you can increase more 20 bar by using pressure up switch. The swing motor also changed,
The model is changed to TSM128.
and also increasing operation pressure for better performance. The next is engine room. The engine is same as before, but the fuel system is improved. We improved nozzle and fuel injection pump to decrease smoke. The customer can feel smoke will be decreased for 25% comparing with old model. In air cleaner room,
There is one a big change point because of VBO system.
inside of air cleaner room, you can see 9 pilot pressure sensors to sense joystick and travel pedal signal. As we already mentioned, these signal go into a pose to calculate and control optimized pump flow. Let's move to check under the cabin. Comparing with old model, joint block is integrated to single block. And also there are saw valve harness to control two-way option and rotating function. The next area under the cabin, you can find cabin joint connector between main harness and cabin harness. You can easily access cabin joint connector to check electric system instead of disassembling cover behind of seat. The last section is undercarriage. Actually, undercarriage parts are same as before, but I want to touch on track spring grease valve. We applied in and out grease valve type since 2019 to improve quality. Thanks for watching. Till now, we look around new generation machine for service view.